Stop putting your stop losses where everybody else does. In this video, I'm giving you a secret that keeps me safe from stop hunts. And also, I'm going to prove it to you with the trade that I took today. And in the end, I have a special series suggestion for you guys. So stick around until the end. I'm not sure about you guys, but for me personally, sometimes I do think that the price is out to get me. I get stop hunted so many times before I knew this one secret. But to be honest, it's a very simple secret. Just keep a buffer, you people. Just keep a buffer above your SL. Keep your stop losses as usual and keep a small buffer on top of it. This small buffer will help you from getting taken out each and every time. Guys, if you are an aggressive trader, if you are a scalper, for example, you'll have to keep at least a buffer of 50 pips. So when I'm trading the 313 strategy, which is in the 1 minute time frame, I keep a buffer of 50 pips. But when I'm trading the stop hunt strategy, which I do in the 5 minute time frame, I keep a buffer of almost 100 pips. Guys, this is the difference of being stop hunted or getting your take profit. Guys, try this out, keep a small buffer and let me know what happened. Right now, I'm going to take you to the charts and show you the trade that I took and how this small buffer saved this trade. Guys, the day today is 24th of April 2026 and right now I'm going to show you what happened today. And as you guys see, the price kept on going high, kept a high here and then a low, then a small high. So this is where the price was when I was looking at the charts. And for me, I know for a fact that there's a lot of stops sitting here because there is a low. A lot of people will be sitting in their longs somewhere around here, keeping the stop losses just below, right? For the stop hunt strategy, we are waiting for these people to be taken out, which happens as follows. As you guys can see, these people were taken out, but there is a twist to the strategy, guys. Now you see that this stop hunt has been invalidated due to the fact that this has been taken down violently. For me, that's enough to go with the direction of the trend. And what I did was entered a short right in this candle. The stop loss usually, according to the strategy, has to go right above this candle. So right above the candle that broke through this stop hunt zone, that is where the stop loss should be. So there's a stop loss, there is the entry, and the take profit is a sweet 1:3. This is the scenario that should happen usually, right? So if I had my stop loss right here as planned, just look at it, just see what happens right here. I get taken out by pips, man. Very slowest of margin. And the worst part, look at it. The price went to TP, full TP, if I didn't have the buffer. So I'm just going to zoom in and show you what the margins are right here, people. What are the margins that we're working with. So the entry sits right here. Stop loss goes above the candle that took our stop hunt zone. And then if I kept the stop loss just above, I'll be taken out. But here's the twist. Here is where the secret comes in, the sweet buffer. So keep 100 pips buffer on this. Right now, the price is sitting at 85.62. What I'm going to keep is 86.62. 86.62. But this is where the extra responsibility comes in. So when you increase the buffer, you people, what happens is as follows. When you increase the buffer, your take profit has to be longer. As you guys can see here, now the 1:3 has become 1:2.73. You'll have to drag your take profit lower than usual. So 1:3 will sit here. You will have to sacrifice a small bit of risk to reward to get this take profit. Let's just go back. Let's just wind back a little and see what happened. So this is the trade with the buffer. We're sitting at a 1:3. The SL went 100 pips up and voila. This is exactly what happened to me today. It was one of the happiest take profits that I've ever taken just because I know every time I keep a buffer that one day it is going to save me. This is one of those days. Look at it. A beautiful 1:3. So usually price just keeps on going, guys. You don't have to worry about the extra 0.3 risk to reward that you have to take. If it is the right setup, it is going to run regardless. So you don't have to worry about all that. Just focus on keeping a small buffer. This will save you multiple times, people. I've been saved multiple times. So that is the secret, you guys. Keep a small buffer with every trade you take. Yes, your take profit should be a little longer, But that's not going to matter because every trade you lose, you're losing an opportunity to get a take profit. So a take profit here, this trade for me was a 1:3. But with my other strategy, with the 313 strategy I have, the profit would be 1:50 or 60 or 70. That is up to trading God's hands. But the potential of losing that blows my mind. So every time I take a trade, I do keep a small buffer. If you're in the 1 minute, keep a smaller buffer of 50 pips. If you're trading in 5 minutes or a 15-minute chart, keep at least a 100 pip buffer. Or if you're trading in the 1 hour, 4 hour, or even a daily chart, try keeping a much higher buffer to make sure that you don't become a victim of stop hunts. So that's it for trading today. Guys, you have to check this series that I saw yesterday. It is called The Legends. It is a team of customs agents who try to stop a drug ring. And I think this actually happened. This might be fictional in terms of the characters and whatnot, but the story itself is true. They tried to stop a huge amount of drugs from being imported into the country. Absolutely loved it. It is a bit slow pace. Guys, do check it out. Let me know what you guys think. As usual, if you have any questions, put it down in the comments below. And you guys can talk to me directly in the Discord, which has the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you next time.